Improvement in just 24 hours with just one treatment of Dr. Nishi, third part. In the second part we saw one such case of cerebral palsy in which the treatment of Dr. Nishi resulted in improvement in neck holding in just 24 hours. In this video, we will see another case in which an autistic child who, due to his aggressive behavior, was not even ready to listen. He started following the commands only after one treatment of Dr. Nishi, and his aggressive behavior also improved. If you have missed the first and second part, then you can check from the links given in the description. Let us now see the second case, in which Dr. Nishi's treatment brought a big change in just 24 hours. Before starting Naadiyoga treatment, condition of the child when they came to us for consultation. He was absolutely restless and aggressive before. After giving one treatment by Dr. Nishi, status after 24 hours.
Hi, this is Dr. Nishi from Naadiyoga, and we have a case of ASD, and we have Arnav, who is 14 years old. Hi! Hi, good. So, I would ask mother of Arnav can you do a little brief about Arnav and about his history a little bit?
For the last 4 to 5 years, Arnav had problems with unusual behavior and excessive hyperactivity. We have come here for that. Regarding following commands, as when we used to talk to Arnav, sometimes he would listen and sometimes he would not listen. But in this one day, from yesterday till today, I've seen the difference that now Arnav is listening to what we say. Earlier we had to force him not to do this, Arnav, not to break trees like this. It was in his regular behavior. But now he's controlling himself. We have seen difference in 2 to 3 things, like when he was swimming here, then he came out on his own. Otherwise, when he used to swim earlier, someone had to go to get him out. Whatever things were told to him that do not do this, then he stopped. Whereas earlier he did not stop. We have seen 2 to 3 improvements immediately after taking treatment. Got very good positive result. I'm talking about this very briefly. We are looking forward in a very positive way, and there will be a lot of improvement in Arnav.
So this has been the result within just 24 hours.
So when Arnav came here to us,
he wasn't ready to talk, or he wasn't ready to listen because he was in a new place, new space. But I gave him a short therapy, and within 2 minutes itself, he started following commands.
Like if we have told him or his mother has asked him to sit down, then he listens now. He admires that, yes, I have to follow this command.
And that is the best part, that he started listening and he was calmer. He didn't have immediate
As we were strangers, but he started talking to us and he became very friendly.
And that is something I think you guys were very shocked to see as well.
Yes, of course, at that time I had a feeling he might be pushing you backwards. That's why I was standing in front of you, that I should come so that you do not get hurt. But as he was sitting next to you after listening to you, then my concern was over. This is what we say, that if we follow this correctly with the right diet, then our child will be more responsive to whatever command we give. And he himself will also analyze what I'm doing wrong and what I'm doing right. And this is the most important for autistic or ASD children.
Please don't make them follow like a robot.
His brain should develop itself, thinking what is right and wrong. He should be doing some work.
Do that. है ना? इधर ऐसे करो. Yes, good boy. Give me a high five. Yes. Thank you.
The result is in front of you, and this improvement has come after Dr. Nishi's just one treatment in just 24 hours. In the next part, we will see one such case of development delay, epilepsy, visual impairment, in which all the things that Dr. Nishi said to parents during consultation, all those improvements started appearing in the child in just 24 hours. There was an improvement in standing, eating, and eyes. And remember, this is not a miracle, but the result of Dr. Nishi's 15 years of research in brain and psychoneurological development. These therapies have been adapted from well-studied and highly researched systems on children. Dr. Nishi Bhatt is the founder of Naadiyoga and psychoneurological and pain management specialist. Dr. Nishi Bhatt has expertise in the cases of special need kids. She does not use any single therapy, but uses different therapies like Alexander techniques, Bourne techniques, craniosacral therapy, Feldenkrais therapy, Rolfing therapy, among many others for the treatment according to each case, due to which these children start getting very good result in a very short time, which does not come even after years of doing other treatments. Along with UK, USA, patients from India can also take treatment from Dr. Nishi Bhatt. Dr. Nishi Bhatt is in India for only 3 months. You come to Dehradun with your child. Dr. Nishi herself will examine and treat the child. For treatment or consultation, book an appointment in advance on the given helpline number. Naadiyoga, opposite Pacific Gulf State, Sahasradhara Road, Kulhan, Dehradun. Visit our site www.naadiyoga.com and mail your inquiries at naadiyoga@gmail.com or call on landline 135 262 9944, mobile 72520 52999.